A demolition machine pulls down an old building, then a new one can be built. A wrecking ball swings through the air and smashes into the wall. Here comes a bulldozer to clear the site so work can begin. The bulldozer's huge blade pushes rubble out of the way. Machines called jackhammers break up hard ground by hitting it. Construction workers also use handheld jackhammers. A road roller rumbles back and forth over the new road. The heavy drum flattens the surface to make it ready for vehicles. Here comes a dump truck with a heavy load. The bed lifts up and dirt tumbles out of the back. Backhoes and loaders creak and clank as their buckets move up and down. The front bucket shovels up piles of rubble. The small bucket can dig deep holes. Excavators move over bumpy ground on caterpillar tracks. The big teeth on the bucket bite through hard ground. The cement mixer arrives. Its drum turns to keep the wet concrete from setting. The concrete pours out. In a few hours it will be as hard as rock. A delivery truck arrives on site carrying a load of construction materials. It gives a warning sound as it backs into position. A crane towers overhead. It slowly lifts and swings things into place. A construction worker signals to the crane operator from the ground.